told your friend you're not okay?
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my
The ETZ 250 motorcycle was produced in the years 1981 to 1989 in East Germany of the GDR under Russian occupation. A very successful German technical idea from the city of Chopin with great traditions. Before the war, a factory of wonderful vehicles DKW. It has a simple design and a comfortable driving position.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong.
A classic universal motorcycle was the dream of motorcyclists of that time.
Stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
The curb weight is 150 kilograms.
Blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
The maximum engine power is 21 HP.
Fade away. As you fade away.
The soft suspension worked well on the poor roads of the time. Maximum speed about 140 km per hour. Acceleration to 100 km per hour takes 10 seconds. Fuel consumption from 3 to 6 liters per 100 kilometers. The engine is a two-stroke, air-cooled, single-cylinder, 250cc engine. Fuel supply via a single-throat carburetor. The durable engine for a two-stroke engine could travel up to 40–50,000 kilometers without any repairs. A front disc brake was used, which was rare in those years. 5-speed gearbox. Starting the motorcycle only with the foot kick. The large sofa allows 2 people to travel. The MZ 250 is a durable and solid construction that is still highly valued by collectors. Let's love old cars because there are fewer and fewer of them over time. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel. There you will find many interesting classic cars and motorbikes.